Mr. Chairman and delegates, a sharp distinction cannot always be made between scientific and technological activities, but both science and technology bear a close relationship to the development process. Scientific knowledge is basic to cultural, social, and economic development. Technology usually has a more immediately apparent impact on economic productivity, especially in industry. Most governments support science as an important instrument of economic and social development. Those who make political, financial, managerial, and other decisions relating to science and technology should be aware of the fact that such decisions might have scientific implications. Science-based technological endeavor, in turn, may involve environmental and other risks, which have to be carefully weighed against the benefits it can yield. Social and human science also play a very important role in the economic, social, and cultural development of nations, and contribute to the applications of science and technology to development, which is essentially a multidisciplinary enterprise. Technology is the more direct and apparent body of knowledge that enables production processes to be transformed. It therefore plays a vital role in development. The end of the developing countries should be to strengthen their technological capacity so as to acquire an endogenous capability in the choice, transfer, adaptation, development, and applications of technology in the light of local assessments and priorities. When necessary, this implies a capacity which may be built up through education, training, and research, with international support to evaluate existing technology and its alternatives, as well as the economic, social, and cultural implications of using certain technologies. Less developed countries should in particular review the appropriateness of technologies to the available and respective labor supply, especially vis-a-vis capital requirements, energy resources, environmental conditions, and other constraints. The transfer of technology under recent international conditions leaves much to be desired in terms of direction, cost, restrictions, audit use, ownership, and freedom of choice. The conference should obviously give careful consideration to these matters, and particularly to the process of building up local capacity to select and negotiate technology transfers and carry out adaptations and applications of technology. In this process, the upgrading of technical manpower and the recognition of its social status is an essential part of the transitions to higher technological levels. Essentially, technology enables higher productivity to be achieved and new products to be placed on the market. However, technology is not neutral to the face of human needs. It follows market orientations frequently stimulated by advertising. Such orientations do not always respond to the basic requirements for raising living standards, but frequently stimulate unnecessarily high and wasteful consumption. There is thus a need for judicious evaluations of technology in the light of basic requirements in order to ensure appropriate tools, and design of technology to be applied to agriculture, industry, transport, and services. Thank you.